Hello class 9 Springfielders. In the previous session, we have completed lesson 7 Industries in India. Basic necessity to set up industries and industrial location are the topic covered. Today, we are going to start with agro-based industries. Industries in India are divided into three: agro-based industries, mineral-based industries, forest-based industries. In the present age, there is one more type of industries which have come up, and that is information technology and electronic industries. Today we start with agro-based industries. The industries which are based on agricultural products are called agro-based industries. The most important industries under agro-based industries are textile industries. The textile industry occupies a unique position in the Indian economy because it contributes significantly to industrial production, employment generation, and foreign exchange earning. It contributes 4% towards GDP, gross domestic product. It is the only industry in the country which is self-reliant and complete in the value chain. It is from raw material to the highest value added product. Under textile industry, the foremost important industry is cotton textiles. In ancient India, cotton textiles were produced using hand spinning and handloom weaving techniques. In the earlier year, the cotton industry was concentrated in the cotton growing belt of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Availability of raw cotton market transport includes accessible port facility, labor, moist climate, etc. contributed towards its localization. This industry has close link with agriculture and provides a living to farmers. Cotton ball pluckers and workers engage in ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing, designing, packing, tailoring, and sewing. Ginning means removing of seeds. Spinning, making of threads. Weaving, weaving of the cloth. Dyeing, coloring of the cloth. Designing, putting designs on the cloth. Packing, tailoring, and sewing. Spinning continues to be centralized in Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu. India exports yarn to Japan. Other importers of cotton goods from India are USA, UK, Russia, France, East European countries, Nepal, Singapore, Sri Lanka, and African countries. The next important agro-based industry is jute textiles. India is the largest producer of raw jute and jute goods and stands at second place as an exporter of jute after cotton. Factors responsible for their location in the Hooghly Basin are its is a jute producing area, inexpensive water transport supported by a good network of railways, roadways, and waterways to facilitate movement of raw material to the mills, abundant water for processing raw jute, cheap labor from West Bengal and adjoining states of Bihar, Odisha, and Uttar Pradesh. Kolkata, as a large urban center, provides banking, insurance, and port facilities for export of jute goods. Challenges faced by jute industries include stiff competition in the internal market from synthetic substitutes and from other competitors like Bangladesh, Brazil, Philippines, Egypt, and Thailand. The internal demand has been on the increase due to the government policy of mandatory use of jute packing. The main markets are USA, Canada, Russia, United Arab Emirates, UK, and Australia. The growing global concern for environmental friendly biodegradable material has once again opened up the opportunity for jute products. The next important agro-based industry is sugar industry. India stands second as a world producer of sugar but occupies the first place in the production of jaggery and kandesiri. Sugar mills in our country is spread over Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat along with Punjab, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh. Let us have a quick recap of what we have learnt. We have learned difference between factory and industries. Second, basic requirement for industrialization. 3. Industrial location. 4. Agro-based industries, cotton textiles, jute textiles, sugar industries. Meet you in the next section with the topic mineral-based industries. Thank you. Have a nice day.